Marvin B. Futol from BGT Mechanical 1B. So for today, we will be solving for the mean, median, and mode of a group data or large data. So as you can see, we have here a group data. But before we solve for the mean, let us first complete the table. To get the class mark, you just need to add each range and divide it by 2. So for example, 1 plus 10 equals 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. 11 plus 20 is equals to 31 divided by 2 is equals to 15.5, and just do the rest. Next is we need to find the fx. So for the fx, we just need to multiply the frequency and the class mark. So 2 times 5.5 is 11. 7 multiplied by 15.5 is 108.5. 10 multiplied by 25.5 is 255, and so on. Now, after you get the fx, you just need to get the total. So the total is summation fx equals to 526.5. And now, let's get the mean. To find the mean, we need to use this formula. So x is for sample mean equals to summation fx divided by n, or the sample size. So by just substitution, so x equals to 526.5 divided by 23 and equals to 22.89 or 22.9, and that's our mean. To get the median, we just need to use this formula. So median is equals to LBME, or the lower boundary of the median class, plus n divided by 2, n is for the sample size, minus CFB for summation of frequency before the median class, divided by FME, or the frequency of the median class, multiplied by I, or the interval. So before we solve the median, let us first identify the value of the variables. So let us divide the sample size into 2. So n divided by 2 is equals to 23 divided by 2 is equals to 11.5, or the 12th term. So focus on the last column. So last column has summation of frequency. So to get this, we just need to copy the first frequency, which is the 2, and then add 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 plus 10 is 19, 19 plus 3 is 22, 22 plus 1 is 23. And then range 1 to 10 has first and second term. Range 11 to 20 has third to ninth term. Range 21 to 30 has 10 to 19th term, and so on. Since 12th term belongs to range 21 to 30, so this range will be our median class. So for the value of the CFB, or the summation of frequency before, will be this 9, because our median class is the 19. And then our frequency of the median class will be 10, so we'll be using this 10 frequency. And then to find the LBME, we need to add the lower boundary of the median class, which is the 21, and the upper boundary of the lower class, which is the 20. So LBME equals 21 plus 20 and divided by 2. So equals 41 divided by 2 is equals to 20.5. So that's our LBME, or the lower boundary of the median class. And let's solve for the median. So by substitution, we get median equals 20.5 plus 23 divided by 2 minus 9 divided by 10 and multiplied by 10. So our interval is 10 because the range is from 1 to 10. So let's solve. And our median is 23. And lastly, the mode. So to find the mode, we need to use this formula. So mode is equals to LBMO, or the lower boundary of the modal class, plus FMO for the frequency of the modal class, minus FB for frequency before, divided by 2FMO minus FB minus FA for frequency after, multiplied by I. So let's go back to the table. So our FMO, or the frequency for the modal class, is just the same with the median, which is the 10. And the FB for the frequency before will be 7, and FA for the after will be 3. The LBMO is just like the median, will be the 20.5. So let's solve. So by substitution, we get mode is equals to 20.5 plus 10 minus 7 divided by 2 multiplied by 10 minus 7 minus 3 and multiplied by 10, which is our interval. So and let's solve. And our mode will be 23.5.